goodness! Chickaletta, we need help! The valley is on fire and we're stuck in the mud!
Don't worry, Mayor. We're on our way. PAW Patrol, to the lookout! Mud experts!
A brush fire is spreading in the Great Muddy Valley. It's too mucky for normal tires.
I need your water cannons.
Rubble, I need you to build a fire break. For this mission, we need rescue wheels.
For a mucky rescue! Rubble on the double!
Whoa, that mud is thicker than usual.
These rescue wheels are working gate, Ryder! We have to move that log to get to the mud hoppers! One heavy log coming up! Cooling things down. Oh, I'm stuck! The mud is pulling me in!
This pup's gotta fly. Ryder, I see a firmer path just to Marshall's left.
Use your Mudmaster mode, Marshall! Give it everything you've got! Bring low! 360 degrees of dousing!
You're safe now, Chickaletta.
Great work, team. Those frogs are safe and sound.
Oh, thank you, Paw Patrol. You saved Adventure Bay from a very mucky mess.
Remember, when things get mucky, wide tires with deep treads keep us on top. On hot, dry days, be extra careful. Never leave anything behind that could start a fire.
Ready, set, slide! This is my kind of mud bath!
Whenever you're in trouble, just splash for help.
No mud is too deep. No pup is too small.
For your bravery in the muck, the Mudmaster Medal. And Rubble for building the perfect fire break.
PA Patrol is on a roll. Just keeping us cool. Good night, Adventure Bay.
Don't lose it, reuse it, and keep it clean.
Look at me, Chickaletta. I'm a mud hopper.
That was one muddy rescue we'll never forget.
Stay tuned for more Rescue Wheels adventures. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help!